Thriving on the philosophy that distance and terrain should not be barriers to health, Riders for Health has taken a new and more efficient step to ensure what they stand for. The initiative is called Medical Drone Delivery. It is as a result of a fruitful partnership between Riders and Skyfarer, a UK-based drone company. Kerna Jallo is the program director, Riders for Health, The Gambia.
They're here to demonstrate to us the use of drones in health service delivery. We've had a meeting yesterday with the Ministry of Health. We've been given approval by the Gambia Armed Forces, by the Ministry of Interior, and by GCAA at the airport, and for us to do our demonstration and our trial. We hope this will be useful for the Ministry of Health, for the government. Drones are kind of the future. They are part of the health service, logistics.
Riders for Health is a non-profit NGO running transportation system for health programs in Africa. In the Gambia, it has an MOU with the Ministry of Health to manage its fleet of transport, a development that continues to accelerate speedy and quality health service delivery across the country.
We use vehicles, motorcycles. Now drones have also come in to use to really help quicken the process of delivery. Could be vaccines, supplies, drugs, samples, anything that's required urgently to help a patient get treated or be given proper management. So we are here today to demonstrate the drone. We saw it, packing the vaccine inside. It went off, took off, into the air. We had to simulate landing somewhere in the health center, taking the vaccine out, and then lifting off again to come back to the base.
Elliot Panam is the founder and CEO of Skyfarer.
And we are a drone operator, and we do that for medical logistics. And it's been a long time coming, but working in collaboration with Riders for Health International and in the Gambia, we're here today for a visit to meet with key stakeholders like the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Interior, and also the MOD and the GCAA to talk about the use of drones in the Gambia and to look at potentially pioneering a new capability for medical delivery in this country.
This time, a small drone is used for the testing exercise.
And this is the drone that we've used for the demonstration. It's one of our smaller drones. It's what we use for test and validation, but it can also fit in a small payload. So the payload bay is in here, and it can carry about 500 grams of payload. So for blood samples and other types of samples as well as vaccines, it's absolutely ideal for that last mile delivery piece. So it means that we can increase turnaround time of getting samples processed in a lab and then patients getting their results quickly, so that we can potentially move to save lives and bring treatment far quicker than it currently is being doing, and also increase distribution across the country as well.
The medical drone delivery test is the first of its kind in the Gambia. Successfully done, it goes to explain that Riders for Health the Gambia and the government have just had a glimpse of the great future they are working towards in the delivery of quality health services across the country without distance and terrain as the barrier. Louis Mendy, GRTS.